let's take a look at setting up your Square payments. So you'll log into your Sports Carnival site, and after you're logged in, you're going to have the admin bar course. Let's click that. And now let's go down to club settings here, or site settings. And if we scroll to the bottom, we have the Square application ID and Square access token we need from Square. This basically just communicates with your Square account saying, hey, Sports Carnival can process payments for us. So in another tab, I have Square login. We'll send you the link to this login. You'll click sign in. And then if you don't have any applications created, you can just add it here with the plus sign. And we'll just call it Square Test just to keep it simple. Oh, cannot contain Square. There we go. We'll just call it Test and then do accept payments. Next. And we can say complete. Okay. And then once it's created, here are the credentials we were talking about. So you'll have sandbox or production. If you want to test it, use your sandbox. If you'd like to go live, click this production tab, and we'll click this first one, come over to our Square application ID, paste it in, and then we're just going to grab our other access token here, and you might want to just show it here, and then hide it, paste it in, save settings, and just like that, your Square account is ready to go with Sports Carnival, and we can start processing payments for you.